Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix your Navy Federal application not working. So if it's not working, you're going to have to immediately restart your device. So long tap onto your power off button and then select restart. After restarting your device, this could also refresh your app and it might start working. Next thing you could try is head over to your Play Store and search for Navy Federal application. If you see update here, tap on update to your Navy Federal application. If you see open, that just means your application is already updated. Now the last thing you could try is long tap onto your Navy Federal application. Tap on the I button. Scroll below, select storage. Here, clear the cache. If you remember your credentials, I also recommend you to clear the data. But if you do that, all the application's data will be deleted. Once done, come back onto App Info page, tap on Force Stop, then tap OK. Now restart your device one more time, launch a Federal Navy application, and it will start working. Thank you for watching.